It's a 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. This midsize SUV brings you all the amenities you could want in a vehicle. Manage your driving experience with the steering wheel audio controls and keyless entry. Drive with confidence with the protection of its multiple airbags and StabiliTrak. With seating for up to 8 and class-leading cargo room, you'll have space for everyone and everything along the way.
The multifunction steering wheel helps keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. The power of your voice has never been more clear with onboard hands-free communications. See objects previously out of sight with a rear-view camera.
Enjoy the freedom, the refinement, the inspiration. Discover what this Traverse has to offer today.
Stop in today for a no-obligation test drive and shop over 16 acres of inventory. We are conveniently located in Eden Prairie at Highway 494 and Highway 5.